So the area of parallelogram QRST is what percent of the area of rectangle PUST? We need to figure out the areas of both, or some proportion thereof, to figure out the proportion and the percent. Statement 1 tells, and so the area of a parallelogram is 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times the height. So if we can get QR and ST, we are set, and then we also need PT for the area of the rectangle. Okay, so statement 1, the ratio of QR to PU is 1 to 2. So that means that QR equals 1/2 PU, which then means that if we just use all of this in terms of QR, then this one base is so the one base of the parallelogram is QR. The second base of the parallelogram is half of that, or is twice that, excuse me, because QR is half of PU, QR is also half of TS, so the bottom base is twice that distance, so 2QR. 1/2 QR plus 2QR times the height, whatever that is. So this is 1/2 of, this is the parallelogram still, 1/2 of 3 times whatever QR equals times the height is that inner parallelogram area. Compare it to the rectangle, which is simply one of these bases. We know that QR is, we know that the base of the triangle is twice the length of QR. PU is twice QR. So 2 times QR times whatever the height of this thing is equal to the area of the rectangle. So we are comparing basically 3/2 QRH to 2 QRH. And from there, we put the one on top of the other, and the final fraction ends up being 3/4. So statement 1 is sufficient on its own to figure out that percent. And so it's not B, and it's not either of the two insufficient answer choices. Statement 2 tells us that the area of the rectangle is 30, but from there we don't have any of the numbers we need for the area of the parallelogram. So without the parallelogram, or trapezoid, or whatever you want to call it, without that in there, it's insufficient. So it is answer choice A.